How to find liked videos, photos on Facebook. So if you want to find the videos or photos or basically any post which you've liked or interacted with in the past, in order to find those, all you have to do is go to your Facebook app and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and then go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down until you see the option activity log, so simply tap on it. And now scroll down and then go to manage interactions. And now you'll be able to see all of the posts including photos and videos which you have liked in the past. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.